Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best headlight restoration kits that are available on the market for their true quality. These kits are perfect for restoring clarity to your headlights and improving safety while driving at night. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Expertemi Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit offers a professional-grade solution for tackling heavy yellowing, clouding, and even unsightly hairline scratches. What sets this product apart is the inclusion of ceramic UV protection wipes that chemically bond to your headlights for long-lasting results, up to 18 months. It's a no-power-tools-needed system, making it accessible for anyone who wants a simple, by-hand restoration process. In terms of design, the kit comes with 8 oxidation remover wipes, 2 sanding discs with 2000 and 3000 grit, a surface prep pad, and ceramic coating wipes. It's a lightweight kit designed for convenience, and it even includes masking tape and gloves for added protection during use. The step-by-step instructions are clear, making this an excellent choice for first-time users. However, the absence of power tools might mean a bit more effort for heavily oxidized headlights. While the ceramic UV protector is a great feature for long-term durability, the overall performance is slightly less effective on extremely deteriorated lenses compared to some other kits. This product is ideal for users looking for a cost-effective DIY solution without requiring any additional tools. Overall, it's a solid option, but it falls short of our top picks due to its limited abrasive power and slightly higher effort level. Coming in at number 4 is the Polywell Headlight Restoration Kit. This DIY kit offers a straightforward 3-step process to restore yellowed, cloudy, or dull headlights. The kit includes a comprehensive set of 24 pieces, such as sanding discs ranging from 1000 to 5000 grit, a polishing compound, UV coating, and even masking tape to protect your car's paint job. It's designed for use with a household drill, which makes the process faster and more efficient than manual kits. The build quality of the included components is impressive, with durable sanding discs and a polishing pad that make the restoration process smooth and effective. The instructions are clearly printed on the packaging, and the results are professional grade, restoring clarity and improving downroad visibility. However, the kit's reliance on a drill might be a drawback for those who don't own one or aren't comfortable using power tools. Additionally, the UV coating longevity is decent, but not as robust as the ceramic protection offered by other kits. This kit is ideal for users who want a quick and professional finish without breaking the bank. Its value proposition is strong, as it provides enough materials to restore multiple headlights at a reasonable price. While it doesn't quite match the ease of use of some higher-ranked products, it's a fantastic choice for those with access to a drill and the willingness to put a bit of effort into the process. In second place, we have the 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System 39008, a versatile kit that's been a favorite among car enthusiasts for years. This kit includes a disc pad holder, 500 and 800 grit sanding discs, a Trizact refining disc, and a rubbing compound. It's designed to work with a household drill, allowing for a more thorough restoration process that's suitable for even heavily oxidized headlights. The build quality is top-notch, with durable sanding discs and a robust disc pad holder. The inclusion of multiple grit levels ensures a smooth transition from heavy-duty sanding to fine finishing, while the rubbing compound adds the final touch of clarity. The performance is impressive, with many users reporting professional-grade results in a matter of hours. However, the lack of a UV protectant in the kit means you'll need to purchase it separately to maintain the results over time. This kit is ideal for users who are comfortable using power tools and want a comprehensive solution for restoring heavily damaged headlights. While it requires more effort and additional purchases for UV protection, its ability to deliver exceptional results makes it a worthy investment for car owners who want their headlights to look like new. And finally, at the top spot, we have the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit 39195. Priced at $15.34, this premium kit stands out for its comprehensive set of tools and ease of use. It includes everything you need: masking tape, multiple sanding discs, 500, 800, and 3000 grit, a Trizact refining disc, clear coat wipes, and even a wax protectant. This kit is designed to deliver professional-level results while being user-friendly enough for beginners. The design and build quality are excellent, with durable and well-made components that ensure a smooth and efficient restoration process. The inclusion of a UV-resistant clear coat adds long-term protection, making this kit a great investment for keeping your headlights clear and protected from future damage. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and the results are nothing short of impressive, even on heavily oxidized headlights. This kit is ideal for users who want a hassle-free, all-in-one solution for headlight restoration. While it's the most expensive on our list, the combination of performance, durability, and ease of use justifies the price. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a first-time DIYer, the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit is the ultimate choice for restoring and protecting your headlights. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.